Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Kushwaha Academy. There is a good news for the students of 12th who has been passed out this year and last year also. Nas- National Testing Agency, that is NTA, established by the Ministry of Education, has notified a notification for the Common University Eligibility Test 2022 on 26 March 2022. This NTA has a responsibility to conduct this exam. Through this exam, we can take the admission in undergraduate programs in central universities, desired central universities. And this exam will be completely computer-based test, that is known as CBT. And the form will be have been open. This form application has been open from the 2nd April 22, and the official website to fill this form is cuet.samarth.ac.in. So you can go there and complete the application form. Now this CUET 22 will consist of the following four sections. Section 1A will comprises of 13 languages. You can select one language. Section 1B, that is optional. You can either opt, you can leave it. But if you want to study additional language, so 20 languages is there, and I'm just telling you the examples like British, German, French. Likewise, you can select any one of them and study. In section second, there are 27 domain specific subjects. Okay, and a section 3 general test. So under the section 1A, there are 13 languages, which total 50 questions will come, and this exam will be of 45 minutes. And in section 1B, 20 language, you can select one language, and this again will be the 50 questions mark based exam, and the same duration will be 45 minutes. And the section second, the domain based exams, you can select any 6 domain out of 27, and this exam will be of 55 questions, and the same questions, I mean the you can, this will be the input text can be used, I mean you have to write the answers over there. And also MCQ question will be based on the class NCRT class 12th syllabus only, not even 10th and 11th. You have to study only you have to cover the syllabus of 12th class, NCRT class 12. And this will be of 45 minutes. And the last sections, that is third sections, will be general test, which will be comprises of 75 questions and 60 minutes. One thing that you have to remember is, if you want to take the university admission in any central university, you have to go through that university website and have to check the eligibility, because the different university have their own eligibility requirements. Okay, so this what that I mean section under section 1, as we know the 13 languages are there. So what are these languages? These languages are Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Gujarat, Odisha, Bengali, Assamese, Punjabi, English, Hindi, and Urdu. I'm telling you, like we have already studied like in 10th and 12th, we have taken the compulsory language like English, either English or Hindi. So I will suggest you to select one language, that is English or Hindi. Okay, and the same it will be the medium of instructions, like last three exams will be coming three exams will be in the same medium of language. Now the 1B languages, 20 languages may you can select a French, Spanish, German, any one of them, and you can study. And the domain subjects are accountancy, biology, business study, chemistry, computer science, entrepreneurship, engineering, graphics, business, any one of them in which you have the interest and attempt the questions of this domain. So, recapping it, a candidate can choose a maximum of 3 languages and maximum 6 domain specific subjects. Okay, So again, I am repeating it will be the computer-based test and multiple choice questions. 13 languages that will be the medium of instructions and the syllabus of you have to select one languages for the medium of instructions and section 1 and section 1b and section 2nd, section 3rd. So hopefully you have understood whatever I told you. If you have any confusion, you can either text me or you can go through the notifications. Okay, then thank you. Bye bye.